LemFi review. Is it legit or a scam? Let's get started. So LemFi, formerly known as Lemonade Finance, is a London-based fintech platform focused on low-cost, multi-currency remittance and immigrant financial service. It's FCA regulated in the UK and registered in Canada with over 2 million users and more than $1 billion in monthly transactions. So, it launched in 2021 via the Combinator backed by Highland Europe. It also expanded to corridors like Egypt, Nigeria, Latin America, and India. So what users like about it is the speed and the low fees. It is also user-friendly experience and it's good support for first-time issues. However, they have some common issues like accounts getting blocks and delays. They also have the customer support, inconsistency, and transactions delays or failures, and the warning signs for security. But overall, it is legit but with a caveats. So LemFi is a legitimate payment service with real licensing, strong financial backing, and many satisfied users benefiting from fast, affordable transfers.